Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to sign in and join our class code.org account. First, open your Chromebooks and go to our Class Weebly website. When you get there, scroll down to our Fun Reward Time page. Click on Fun Reward Time and scroll down until you find our Code Studio icon. Click on the icon and code.org will open up a new browsing tab for you. Our class code is studio.code.org/sections/QAPZPF. But if you get there through our class website, all you will need to do is click on our icon. Once you get to our class, you will need to choose your name and come down to the secret picture that is on your login paper that I have given you. After you click on your secret picture, you will click on Sign In. When you sign in, you will be automatically joining our Course 2. We aren't going to do the unplugged activities, but we are going to start on our Lesson 3 maze sequence. Come down to maze sequence number 3 and click on Step 1 of our progress. The first thing that will come up is a video. You will start by watching this video, and then we will regroup and join step by step on how to run through each level. At the end of our coding time, I would like you to come up where you see your name, click the arrow, and scroll down to Sign Out. Next time when you need to sign in, you will repeat the same steps, going back to our class website, clicking on our class code link, and entering on your secret picture. Next time you log in, when you are in your courses, anything that is shaded in green will show you a lesson that you have already completed. You will click on the next one that is not shaded in. As you go through each lesson, it will shade it in for you so that it will save your progress and you can complete the next one that you're on. At the bottom of your lesson progress screen, you will see a map of symbols that shows you what they mean. It's green if it's completed, purple if it's submitted, shaded in if it's completed, but you could do better, green line highlight around it if you're still in progress, and just the gray outline if you have not yet started it. Have fun, and we'll check our progress together.